Hello guys, this is Bernard from DivLand, and in this video I'll be showing you on how to install Python on your Android mobile phone. There are several ways on how you can install Python on your Android phone, and I'm calling this method 2, but we do have other methods, and I'll link the links down in the description. Make sure you check them out if you find this method to be a little bit confusing. Other than that, let's get going. Open up your Google Play Store and search for termux. As you can see, I already have termux installed. Make sure you install it, and once it's done, open it up and enter the command termux dash setup dash storage. Enter. Click allow once this pops up. Then cd into your files directory by entering the command. Alright, now we're into the files directory. We can now update apt before we install Python. apt-get update. This should take some few seconds. Make sure it's done. Alright, once it's done, you can now install Python by entering the commands apt install Python. Python is already the newest version. As you can see, I already have Python installed, but in your case, since you don't have, you'll see some installation running through, and wait until they're done. Then enter the commands Python Python -- version. Alright, we have Python 3.8.2 installed. So if you are at this point, congrats, you now have Python installed on your phone. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to any person that you might think might find this video useful. Thanks and peace.